Hey everybody, Bronco 78 IDI here. Just wanted to get a quick video of the Bronco before it starts coming apart. This will be the first video for YouTube that I've done, so bear with me if it's not that great of a video. This is what I'm working with. The inside of the Bronco. This is the inside. Everyone's asking about those windows. It's kind of dark in there. Let's come back out here. So here they are. Open right there. I know a lot of people say they look like the back windows of a pickup, but they're not. I actually got this at a Ford dealership. I don't know. They told me that they were original, but there weren't very many of them made, so I'm not really 100% sure. So she's not in too bad a shape. It's been sitting for about 10 years. Got kind of mad with the California smog nonsense, but this is what she looks like right before we start tearing her apart. Get ready to do a lot of cool upgrades, and should be a fun project. Anyways, just figured I'd show it to you. There's the 351. That'll be gone soon. Changing all that out. All right. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching my video.